Welcome back to our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. Today we're going to work on Paper Plane 11, Concorde by Kunihiko Kasahara. Tutorial by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap we're trying to encourage people to communicate more with each other using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. This is part of my 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge series, where I try to find 100 different types of paper airplanes, ideally not so well known, and show you how to fold them. Every Tuesdays I'm going to be publishing a new video. If there's no delays in my schedule, and I'm able to maintain this commitment until the end, I'll be finishing this project in April 2022. So please subscribe and see if I can finish this database of 100 exotic paper airplanes. And by the way, this is an origami channel, so by subscribing, you'll be receiving origami tutorials as well. Without further delay, let's enjoy the rest of this tutorial for Paper Plane 11, Concorde by Kunihiko Kasahara. If you've got an extra few minutes to spare, please check the video that's going to pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're going to like them. And once again, if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.